Tired of manual journal entries bogging down your accounting process? Let's streamline your workflow and master uploading journal entries in NetSuite in just a minute and a half. First, navigate to Transactions, then Financial, and finally, select Journal Entries. This is where the magic happens. Click the List button to view the existing journal entries. Then select the Upload Journal Entries option. This redirects you to a CSV Template page. Download the CSV Template and open it in your preferred spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This template is your key to a successful upload. Carefully fill out the template with your journal entry data. Make sure to include the posting period, account numbers, debit amounts, credit amounts, and a clear description for each line. Accuracy is crucial here. Double-check that your debits and credits balance. For each journal entry, the total debits must equal the total credits to maintain the accounting equation. An imbalance will cause upload errors. Save your completed spreadsheet as a CSV file. Then, back in NetSuite, upload your saved CSV file using the Import Assistant. Follow the prompts to map the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in NetSuite. Review the data mapping one last time to ensure everything is correct. Then, click Import. If all goes well, you'll see a confirmation message indicating a successful upload. Now, you know how to upload journal entries in NetSuite to ensure accuracy in financial reporting. Stay tuned for more NetSuite tips and tricks.